Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam, khamma gani to all of you, and welcome to today's session. That is your Umang series for your grade 9, and we are discussing today your lines and angles session 3. Okay, so if you remember, in the last two classes we have already done about the intersecting lines and we have talked about the parallel lines, and today we are going to talk about the angles of property of a triangle and the exterior angle theorem for a triangle. Very important theorem from this chapter. The proof are also we are going to do, because that are also has been asked many a times in your papers also. So these proofs also you should go through it, although all the proofs which you have done in this part, in this chapter till now, whether it will be for the vertically opposite or the interior alternate, exterior alternate, interior consecutive, exterior consecutive, any proof, it was not more than two sentence or something, like बहुत छोटे छोटे से proof है. So if you understand these concepts, the proofs are very easy in this chapter. The proofs are very easy in this chapter. Okay, so we are going to discuss all of those, and let's start with our today's session. Okay, so a bit of as I have told you already that we will start. We have already done intersecting and non-intersecting lines in the first session. The last session was parallel lines and transversal. So those who have missed this session, you can rewatch that session. And I have given you one homework question at the end, right? So this was your homework question. So now here in this question, they are saying if L1 is parallel to L2, what is the value of X? Okay. So this is your 37 degree. I know if this angle is 37 degree, by corresponding angle, I can say this will be also 37 degree, right? These two are corresponding. And by vertically opposite angle, I can say this will also be 37 degree. Okay. So 37 degree, if it is 37 degree, there is also 37 corresponding angle. And if it is 37, this one is also 37, because again, vertically opposite angle. So two different type angles I have used. Now, I know this one is a complete, it is a straight angle. So this X plus 37 plus 58 degree should be equal to 180 degree, because it is forming a straight angle, right? So X plus 37 plus 58 will be 95 is equal to 180. So you will be getting X is equal to 180 minus 95, which is 85 degree. So the value of X is your 85 degree. So this was your homework question. Now let's see some of the students who have given the correct answer. So the first answer which I have got correct from you is Beena. Beena has given the first correct answer, and thank you so much. I can see many of you are writing very good comments. So you are telling that sir, the class is very useful, very helpful. So thank you so much, yeah. Thank you so much for that. After Beena, we have got the correct answer 58. Dhampal ने लिखा है बेटा, that is not correct. ओके, अब उसके बाद में आंसर्स यस. आफ्टर दैट आई हैव गॉट सुरेश, लक्ष्य, सूर्या, विश्वास, देन 143 is not correct, so again you made a mistake. Dinesh, Arjun, okay, Simran Singh, Amrapali, Ragini, Sujata, Astha, and so on. Okay, so these are, I think, the top 10 students who have given the correct answer. I will always tell the name of the students for the top 10 or top 12, all the top 10 top 12 students who have given the first correct answer. I'll give them. So please be very quick to give the answer. The more quickly you will answer, the more chances are there to you for you to get your name featured in the video. Okay, beta. So the answer was 85 degree. Now today we will be studying about triangles, but before that I have some information for you. That is your Vedantu Pro subscription course. So beta, in this, if you take the subscription, you will visit this link vdnt.in/ytpro. This is the link vdnt.in/ytpro. Once you visit this link, go to the website. Okay, once you will visit this link, you will have to use this code GPPro. So what you will do, first type this link. You will be redirected here. Select your grade 9 CBSE 2021. Okay, then click on get subscription. Once you'll reach here, you can go for your 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. The larger number of months you will choose, the smaller will be the fee per month. Okay. So after doing that, what you're going to do, whatever course you want to choose, suppose if you have chosen first month, 1 month only. So first it will show 4,000. Then what you're going to do, you have to enter the coupon code. So apply the coupon code GP Pro. My name's initial Gopal Paliwal, GP Pro. That coupon code if you use, you will be getting this course at just rupees 2699. So don't forget to apply the code, because पैसे बच रहे हैं तो always पैसे बचाओ, ठीक है? If there is a scope, a coupon is there, always use that. So after applying that coupon, click on buy now and get the courses. Now देखो, the important thing with this course is, first, it's a personalized learning, because I try to cover each and every part on this YouTube, but there is some restrictions which YouTube provides, that is overcome on the Vedantu's platform. There is the teaching is in the more personalized manner. Also, you will be getting notes, assignments, and the full recordings of the session. Other thing is, if you want to study any chapter first, because when I was going through this comments right now, some of you were telling me, sir, quadrilateral chalu karwa do, sir, surface area and volume पहले करवा दो. तो बेटा, that is not possible over here, because we have to go by the curriculum part, and I also have a very slot. Each slot is fixed for each teacher, so there is some what do I say, limited. It is very limited time for me. But on Vedantu's platform, you will have the choice to choose whatever chapter you want to study first. Any chapter you want to study first will be available for you. So whatever chapter you want to study first, go for it, study it. If you want to study quadrilateral first, go study that. If you want to study triangles first, go study that. So there is, you have the power to make your own curriculum, which is best, and you will not get it anywhere else. Okay, so I would suggest that if you can afford this course, if you can afford this course, rather than going to anywhere else, it is one stop platform for all, because this is not only for maths. I am telling all the subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST, and English. All the subjects are included in this course. So apply the coupon code GP Pro. Okay, vdnt.in/ytpro and apply the coupon code GP Pro. ठीक है बेटा, चलो. Now let's come to today's class. आज क्लास पे चलते हैं. तो बेटा, the class में we will be studying about angle sum property of a triangle and exterior angle theorem. Okay, so देखो, the angle sum property, what it says, that if you draw any triangle you want, any kind of triangle you draw, the sum of all the three interior angles, sum of all the three interior angles will always be 180 degree, no matter how you will draw the diagram. You draw the triangle like this, 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 whatever manner you want to draw the triangle, the sum of the interior angles is always 180 degree. So I can say it will be angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is always equal to 180 degree. This is your angle sum property, right? All of you already know it. Ab dekho, how do you prove this part? The proof is very important for your exam point of view as well. Ab dekho, how do you prove it? For proving it, you need to do one construction. You need to do one construction. What is the construction? Draw a line L, okay, parallel to QR. A parallel to QR line L can be drawn anywhere, passing through P, passing through P. So through this P, draw a line L which is parallel to QR. Okay, so this line L and this QR, they both are parallel lines. They both are what? Parallel lines. Beta, if they are parallel lines, you can clearly see that this PQ is acting as a transversal. Okay, this PQ is acting as a transversal. So I can say that, sir, if here, let's say, let's name this angle as angle A and name this angle as angle B. So I can say, sir, if this P, this line L is parallel to line QR, I can say this angle A and angle 2 should be equal. Let me know quickly which pair of angle they are forming. Let me know in the chat quickly which pair of angle they are forming, whether they are corresponding, interior alternate, exterior alternate, interior consecutive, or exterior consecutive. Okay, so beta, अब you can see transversal is there. One is on the top, one is at the bottom, one is on the left side, one is on the right side. So it is alternate. I can say A is equal to angle 2 because of interior alternate angle. Similarly, wait, this is also a transversal. PR is also transversal. So B and 3 will also be equal, because again for interior alternate angle, so I can say value of B will be equal to angle 3. Again, the reason is interior alternate angle. Got it? ठीक. So this A is equal to angle 2, this B is equal to angle 3. Ab beta, I know one thing for sure. That is that sir, this angle A plus this angle 1 plus this angle B, this all three angles if I will add, I will say sir, I will get a straight line. I will get a straight line. So sum of all these three angles should be equal to 180 degree. Sum should be equal to 180 degree because they are forming a straight angle. So I can say that means sir, angle A plus angle 1 plus this angle B plus this angle B, all three if I add, it should be equal to 180 degree. Now replace the value of A as angle 2, angle 1 is already here, replace the value of angle B as angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Bas khatam, this is your proof. So when you rearrange it, you can clearly say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Got it? This is your proof. Please go through it. देख लो मैंने तुम्हें, I have already told you that the proof is of मतलब minimum यार 3 lines 4 lines. देख लो, it is a very easy proof. बहुत easy proof है. Easily you can do it. आराम से कर सकते हो बेटा. तो ज्यादा टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Start applying it. है ना? तो please take a screenshot because this is how you are going to prove the angle sum property of a right angle of a triangle, that sum of three interior angles of a triangle are always added when always added will give you 180 degree as your answer. So sum of three interior angles is always 180 degree for a triangle, and this is the proof, important proof. Let me tell you, it is important proof. Both the proofs which I am doing today are important proof from this chapter. Okay, so this is your first property, interior angle. Second part, interior angle, sum of interior angle is 180 degree. Now the second is exterior angle theorem. Let's read the statement first. If a side of a triangle is produced, so if any one side of a triangle if I produced, so suppose if I produce this BC I have produced till here. Okay, this side BC I have produced till here. ठीक है sir, you have produced it. Okay, so when you produce the side, this produced side CD is making an angle with the adjacent side. So this angle is called exterior angle. This angle is called exterior angle. So what is exterior angle? Exterior angle is the angle between the extended side of a triangle and the adjacent side of the triangle. So that is called an exterior angle. That is called an exterior angle. So beta yaad rakhna, one side will be extended side and one side will be the side of triangle. Yaad rakhna. So between these two, the angle formed will be your exterior angle. So the exterior angle theorem says that this exterior angle which you get here is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. That means other than this, देखो, there are three interior angles. There are three interior angles in this triangle. Okay, one is this A, one is this B, one is this C. अब देखो, C is already attached to this exterior angle, है ना? C is adjacent to exterior angle. So other than C, the remaining two are what? A and B, which are lying in the opposite to that. So I can say this exterior angle is equal to angle A plus angle B. This exterior angle is equal to angle A plus angle B. अब how do you prove it? Proof तो बहुत easy है. The proof is very easy. ध्यान से सुनना. So suppose let's say, let me draw a triangle for you. Okay, let's say this is your triangle. And I am extending this side over here. Okay, so I will definitely say this will be my interior angle. Oh, sorry, my exterior angle. And the interior angle here is, let's say, this is A, this is B, this is C, and the exterior angle is D. And the exterior angle is D. अब बेटा देखो, from the interior, from the last theorem, we know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I can clearly say that sir, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because they are forming the three interior angles. So what is the reason here? Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Always write the reasons, right? So it is your what? Angle sum property of the triangle. After that, as you can, one more thing you can see over here That is कि sir this C plus D, if I add these two angles, then also it should be 180 degree because they are forming a linear pair. So I can say sir angle C plus angle D is also equal to 180 degree, and the reason being linear pair. Reason being linear pair. Okay sir, these two equations I have. Now look at these two equations. If you observe in the red equation, the RHS is 180 degree, and in the blue equation the RHS is 180 degree. So if the RHS of two equations are equal, the LHS side will also be equal. By angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D is also 180 degree. So I can say whatever is angle A plus angle B plus angle C and angle C plus angle D, both are equal. So I can say angle C plus angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. अब बेटा देखो angle C and angle C will get cancelled. So you are left with angle D is equal to angle A plus angle B, and this is your proof of your exterior angle theorem, that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. But so easy proof here. I am telling you in this chapter all the proofs are of 2 or 3 lines. These two proofs, especially which I have done today, they are really important. They are really important from your exam point of view. Okay, so both the proofs we have done it. We have learned the properties as well, and let's see some of the questions now. Okay, so better देखो भाई, first question we have is this: two angles of a triangle are equal. Okay, the third angle is greater than each of those angles by 30 degree. Determine all the angles of the triangle. So here suppose if it is my triangle, I will say two angles are equal. Let's say this angle is x. Equal angles are what? X and x. And the third angle is 30 degree more than them. So this angle will be what? X plus 30. Correct? So now I can say, sir, I know angle sum property. Sum of the three angles is what? 180 degree. So I can say first angle is x. Second angle is also x. The third angle is x plus 30 should be equal to 180 degree. Correct? So x plus x plus x, 3x plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So you can say 3x is equal to 180 minus 30 is 150. So x is equal to 50 degree. X is equal to what? 50 degree. So by if x is equal to 50 degree, what was the triangle? Two angles are equal, x and x. So this is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. And the next was x plus 30. So 50 plus 30, 80 degree. So the angles are 50 degree, 50 degree and 80 degree. Okay, and you can see 50 plus 50, 100 plus 80, 180. Dhadam. Done. समझ लो, easy एकदम. Okay, चलो, let's move to the next question. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, determine the angles. अब देखो यार, रेशियो देख के तो I will feel the happiest one. मेरे को तो खुशी होती है रेशियो देख के. Why? Because when the ratios are given easy, it is very easy. The questions, the equation formation is very easy. Three angles are in the ratio 1:2:3. So let us say, so my first angle is x, second angle is 2x, and my third angle is what? 3x, because it is 1:2:3. Multiply the ratio with x. I know by angle sum property x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. Okay, we have to always write the reasons. So x plus 2x plus 3x is 6x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 upon 6, which is equal to 30. But yaar, this is not the answer. This is not the answer because the question is telling you to find the all the three angles. So x is 30. So first angle will become 30 degree. Second angle will become 2 into 30, which means 60 degree. And the third angle will become 3 into 30, which is 90 degree. And you can see all the three angles 30, 60 and 90. If you will add them all, the sum is again 180 degree. तो वो तो कहीं जाएगा नहीं. Sum is always 180 degree for the interior angles for a triangle. Okay, चलो, let's go for the next question. Next question is this. हाँ, okay. In the figure, angle x, where is angle x? Okay, angle x is 62 degree. ठीक है sir. And angle xyz. So xyz means this complete angle. Okay, always read the question very carefully. XYZ means this complete angle. Okay, this one. This total angle is 54. ठीक है sir. YO and ZO are the bisectors. Okay, so YO is bisector of this angle and ZO is bisector of this angle. Bisector means they are dividing them into equal parts respectively for angle XYZ. Find angle OZY. Okay, OZY, that means this angle, and YOZ and this angle. ठीक है. Okay, चलो, let's do it. So by first thing beta, if you look at this triangle, if I talk about in triangle XYZ, if I talk about triangle XYZ, I can easily find out the value of angle Z. Okay, I can say sir, in triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z should be equal to 180 degree. Angle X is given as 62. Angle Y, this angle XYZ, complete angle. Now I'm not writing the full name. You have to write the full name in your examination. You will write angle XYZ plus YZX plus ZXY. So angle Y is what, 54 degree plus angle Z, this complete angle is equal to 180 degree. Got it? So 2 plus 4 is 6, 1116 plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. So angle Z is equal to 64 degree. Angle Z is equal to 64 degree. So this complete angle is 64. याद रखना बेटा, this complete angle is 64 degree. ठीक है, this complete angle is 64 degree. Now I know OY and OZ are bisector, so this angle and this angle will be equal and they both will be half of 54, and here also this angle as well as this angle will be equal to each other and both will be half of your 64. ठीक है, so now beta I will move ahead and I will tell कि sir I can say that angle OYZ, or first you want to find out OZY, है ना, you have to find out OZY. So I can say angle OZY will be equal to half of angle Z, which is 64. So half of 64, which means 32 degree. Okay, so beta this is your 32 degree. Similarly this will also be 32 degree. Correct? If this is 54, this complete angle is 54, so the half part angle OYZ, I can say angle OYZ will be equal to half of angle Y, which is half of 54 degree. So what you're getting at, you are getting half of 54 is equal to 27 degree. So this is 27 degree and this is also 27 degree. Now we have to find out the value of angle OZY. A bit of what is OZY? YOZ. This is the triangle here. Okay, YOZ में this angle we have to find out. Now only focus on this triangle. One angle is 27 degree, one angle is 32 degree. We have to find out the third one. I will say let's use angle sum property in the small triangle. Let's use angle sum property in the small triangle OYZ. Okay, where you have got it, this is 27 degree, this is 32 degree. So I will say now sir, in triangle OYZ, now here I have to write full names because I cannot write angle Y. Angle Y means that complete was angle Y, so I have to write full names, that angle OYZ plus angle OZY plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. Angle OYZ is equal to 27, OZY is equal to 32 plus YOZ I don't know is equal to 180 degree. So 27 plus 32, 959 degree plus angle YOZ is equal to 180 degree. So angle YOZ will be equal to 121 degree. What is this angle equal to? This angle is equal to 121 degree. Got it? So better dekh lo. By first you have got the value of angle Z as 64. Bisectors were there. So you got OYZ as 27, half of 54, and OZY as half of 64, which is 32. And then in the smaller triangle, you have used the angle sum property and you have got YOZ as 121 degree. YOZ as 121 degree. Okay, this is the solution. You can see it one more time whenever you want it. You can pause the video and you can watch it whenever you want. Okay. Now look at this question. In figure, if QT, where is QT? QT is here, is perpendicular to PR. ठीक है sir, QT is perpendicular to PR. Got it? So this is angle is 90 degree already shown here, है ना? It is already shown here. It is 90 degree. ठीक है sir. Angle TQR is 40. Okay, this is 40. Angle SPR is 30. This 30. Find the value of x and y. अब देखो, very easy question. First, let's look at this triangle. This one. Why I'm looking at this triangle? Because I saw that this is the triangle in which I know two angles. I know that two angles are given to me. One is 90, one is 40. So the third one can easily find out. Any other triangle, if you will start with, you know only one angle in that triangle. But this is the only triangle in which I know two angles. So I will start with this triangle. So I can say, sir, in triangle QTR, what I will say? In triangle QTR, QT pi wala QTR. Okay, so by you can say 40 degree plus angle T was 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree, right? So 90 plus 40 is 130 plus x is equal to 180. So you can say x is equal to 50 degree. है ना beta? So this value of x you have got now as 50 degree. After that, focus on the other triangle. Where you will focus? Dekho, now you want to find out the value of y. So look at this triangle now. Beta, whenever you are solving a question, suppose whenever I show you the question, if you think you can solve it, please pause the video and solve it on your own. Okay, and suppose if you are feeling that acha no sir, I was not able to solve it, then watch the solution, pause it again, solve the solution on your own. एक बार वापस करो, solve that question one more time to know that okay, I am done with this problem, I can solve it very easily. ठीक है? So if I consider this angle PSR, this angle Y is an exterior angle. See, देखो extended side पे. Y is an exterior angle, so it will be equal to sum of the other two interior angles, opposite interior angles. So I can say, sir, this Y should be equal to 30 plus X. The reason is exterior angle theorem. The reason is what? Exterior angle theorem. So Y is equal to 30. We know X is 50. So Y is equal to 80 degree. Khatam, batao, see. Like this you will be able to solve the questions. I am telling you the questions are very easy. बहुत easily हो जाएगा बेटा. ठीक है? So x is 50 and y is equal to 80 degree. Okay? चलो. Let's move to the next question. Next one is this. Okay, this is a good question. It's a good question. In the given figure, the side QR, okay, the side QR of a triangle PQR is produced to point S. Okay, so QR I have produced to point S. ठीक है? If the bisector of angle PQR is here, so this is the bisector of angle PQR, okay, and angle PRS, so PRS is here, so this is the bisector of angle PRS, okay. Bisector means this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle, right? Bisectors, so they are meeting at a point T. हाँ sir, they are meeting at a point T. Then prove that angle QTR, where is QTR? QTR is this angle, is equal to half of QPR. Half of QPR. अब देखो, those students who think they can do it on your own, I would suggest that pause this video, solve this question on your own, and then see the solution. Okay. अब देखना बेटा, first thing you should always, whenever these two proof questions are there, na, always think that I want a relationship between QTR and QPR. So my main aim is to find out some values, the value of angle QTR and QPR, and then I will see how I will reach to that conclusion. So I know I have to find out the value of QTR and QPR. Okay. So beta, I know, suppose, I know this QT was an angle bisector. So let's say it will be dividing it into two equal angles. So let's say it is X angle. This angle is also X. And this RT was also bisecting in two equal parts. So let's say this is angle Y and this is also angle Y. Okay? XX, YY, these are the angles I have given. Okay, sir. अब बेटा देखो by which two angles first you have want an angle QTR में तो अब बेटा focus on this triangle which I am showing you over here. Focus on this red triangle which I am drawing. Can you see? Okay, so in this red triangle beta, if you will focus carefully, you will understand कि sir this angle Y is an exterior angle. Angle Y is acting as an exterior angle because देखो RS is the extended side and RT is the side for this angle QTR. So I can say in triangle QTR, angle Y is equal to the other two opposite interior angles. So one is angle QTR and the other is angle X, because I'm only talking about the red triangle. So is equal to angle QTR plus X. Okay. So from here you will get the value of angle QTR. Value of angle QTR is Y minus X. ठीक है, देखो I will tell you the easiest way, एकदम easiest way में बताऊंगा. Angle QTR is Y minus X. अब let's go for the second angle. By second angle is what? QPR. So for that we need to look at this triangle. अब in this triangle, the exterior angle is this complete exterior angle. This is the complete exterior angle. So exterior angle is 2y. The sum of the exterior angle will be equal to sum of the other two interior opposite angle. So I can say that in angle which triangle we are using now? We are using the triangle PQR. I can say sir in triangle PQR, I will say that this 2x or the exterior angle is what? 2y. So y plus y is what? 2y na? Y plus y is 2y. So 2y is equal to x plus x is what? 2x plus angle QPR. So from here you can say angle QPR is equal to 2y minus 2x. Take 2 common, so angle QPR is equal to 2 times of y minus x. अब बेटा देखो यार y minus x तो I have seen somewhere. Where? Y minus x you have seen in the equation 1. So equation 1, from equation 1 I know y minus x is equal to what? Angle QTR. So I can say from equation 1 and 2 I can say that sir angle QPR is 2 times of angle QTR. So angle QPR is equal to 2 times of angle QTR. So you can say if I shift 2 over there, so half times of angle QPR is equal to angle QTR. That is what you wanted to prove. That is what you wanted to prove, that angle QTR is equal to half of QPR. देख लो मिल गया. Okay, so in these two triangles QTR and PQR, use the exterior angle theorem and you will get the answer. बहुत easy है. Use exterior angle theorem in both the triangles and you will get your answer. Okay बेटा, तो देख लो बहुत easy. You can solve this question. The questions is very easy. Okay, I have taught you in a very easier method. No one is going to cut marks if you are going to write in this way, because but the most important thing is if you are denoting suppose x and y something like this, so you have to draw the diagram. You have to draw the diagram because you are denoting it on your own. So when you give some new variable, any new notation to any angle or something, always draw the diagram in your answer sheet as well. Okay, then you can do it like this. It won't take this much space to write the answer. याद रखना, ठीक है. अब बेटा देखो, this is your homework question for today. This is your homework question for today. Of the three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smallest, another is 3 times the smallest. Find the angles. Now here, remember, all the angles I want. I want all the angles. Okay, so this is your homework question. Let me know your answer in the comment section below and I will see how many of you will be able to give me the correct answer. Okay, so let me know what should be your answer. Again beta, I'm telling you, the Vedantu has launched pro subscription course. So if you can really afford this much amount, I would suggest that please come to this part. The study is going to be more personalized. You are going to enjoy it. This is Paisa Vasool course. So go to this link vdnt.is, GP/YT Pro and enter coupon code GP Pro so that the price is reduced from 4,000 to 2,699. Okay बेटा, तो I hope all of you enjoyed the session. एकदम मजा आया होगा, है ना? So with this पूरा session अपन ने कर लिया है, whole chapter is done. The next session is going to be doubts plus Menti. So if you are facing any doubt, let me know in the comment section. And for Menti session, prepare well because we will see that who will be at the first place. So don't forget to like this video if you have loved these questions. Subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed it yet, and do not forget to press the bell icon. ठीक है बेटा? तो भाई, this is all from my side in today's class. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Till then, bye bye. खुदा हाफिज. sayonara. Yep, चलो bye bye.